Hey there, welcome back to our Figma course. In this course, what we are trying to do, learning Figma as a developer and gaining some confidence so that we can work on the blind Figma file and extract information and work with Figma confidently. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have worked with text so far. What if I want to work with image, Asmin? We need image. We need. So now let's just take image. But how do we take it? There are two ways to work with image in Figma. This is the first one and the most easiest one. Click on this little arrow and place image. Once you select your image, maybe I want to select my flag. You will see that um, your mouse icon became once again like this. And now the image is showing as well. What you can do is you can click somewhere and don't leave your mouse, please hold it, and then you can do like this. You can uh, draw your image like this. All right. Okay, and the image is here. The image is here. Let's zoom it. Click on Control Command in case you are on Mac. Zoom it, zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. All right, we are zoomed. Now, once you select the image, you will see that for fill, there is no colors anymore. Now, since it's an image, why will we will have colors, Ajmin? That's a question. That's a question. So, what we can do with the images? A lot of things. First of all, click on this image. You will see we have a lot of options here. We can increase the exposure. By the way, this is blocking our image, isn't it? Let's click it and drag it to other side. We can do it. We can do a lot of image editing things in case you want to. A lot other things. Maybe shadows, maybe saturation. Yeah, maybe contrast. So what I'm trying to say is we can manipulate the image and its colors and do some basic editing. Okay, all right. So we know. What more, Ajmin? You see there is a little option called fill. We can click it and we can just click on fit. Once I fit it, remember the size I took. Within that size, the full image is going to be shown and rest of the empty space will be um, shown as a white background. So it's up to you how you want to show your image. Fit, maybe crop, maybe you want to crop it. In case you want to show the full image and hide this white background, you mean you have selected fit, but you want to remove this white background also. So now click on this crop and chemical. Okay, do like this, and again take it this way, and again do like this. Now it's like this. Hey Ajmer, wait. You have shown us to crop an image. Okay, let's check it. Okay, its crop is already selected. Let's do this way and maybe this way, maybe this way, and maybe this way. It's up to us, however we like. Just click on close. All right. So we can crop the image also. Yeah, we can. But if we click on, we change crop to fit, within that size, again, the full image is going to be shown. So make sure you change your um, options correctly, however you like. Sometimes we want to give images in the background in our page, in our design. In that case, if I just select it, I can. By the way, let's take it to here and increase the size. Maybe to this and again increase the size. Okay, why are you doing this? Please increase the size. Okay. Now I want to I want to decrease. Okay, let's delete this image. Let's choose a brighter one. Documents, pictures, not this one, mountains. Okay, now this is a beautiful picture, by the way. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to give this as a background image, but it's very bright. Let's decrease it. Let's give it 50. Hmm. Okay. Oh, my bad. My bad. I have to select the image, not the frame. Not the frame, please. Let's give it 100. He has been, wait. What do you say? How do I select the image? If I select the image, the full frame is getting selected. But how do I select the image particularly? Well, you see from the left side, if I take a new rectangle, if I take a new polygon, if I take a new circle maybe, you see that all of the things, all of the elements I'm taking, these are again listed here all as well. So we can select a particular elements from here, maybe image, maybe rectangle, maybe polygon, maybe ellipse, and then we can give some styling to it. So we can select the image particularly. If we select, the entire frame is getting selected, you see from the left side, but I want to select the image only. That's Now it's selected. And now let's give it to 50. You see, it's 50. Like we have 20, 15 maybe. It's 15. So we can decrease the opacity of the image. I'm pretty sure you already understand and can connect with CSS opacity property. That is what we can do with an image. Let's go ahead and get started with other topics in the upcoming videos. I'm going to surely catch you up in the next one.